Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device and OS so you install the correct app version. Open settings about phone and note model and Android level. Once done, open Galaxy Store or Play Store and search Samsung Voice Recorder. If the app is unavailable, use Samsung Notes or a third-party recorder. Make sure you have microphone permission ready and at least some free storage. That prevents installation and recording failures. You install the app and immediately grant microphone and storage permissions so recordings work. Allow background access if offered. Once installed, open settings inside the recorder and pick a recording profile, voice for talks, interview, or high quality for music, because quality affects file size. Make sure you select MP3 for compatibility or WAV for lossless captures, and choose internal or SD storage. This avoids lost files and gives predictable file sizes when you record longer sessions. You press record and use pause or resume as needed. When finished, tap stop and give the file a clear name so you can find it later. Then export or back up important recordings to Samsung Cloud or Google Drive to prevent data loss. If the app doesn't record, make sure microphone permission is enabled, reboot the phone, and clear the app cache in Settings App's Voice Recorder. If still broken, reinstall the app. That single troubleshooting step solves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.